Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have 4 different job updates. So the first company, it is Deloitte Mass of Campus is hiring for freshers, and the job role for that is Analyst Trainee, and the salary of the CTC, so 7.25 lakhs per annum, and the batch eligible, so currently they are hiring for 2024 graduates, and the qualification, so it is for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA graduates in either computer science or information technology and related streams, so they are eligible to apply for this particular job role. So we shall quickly see the skills that are needed for this particular job role. So as discussed, the qualification needed, so it is for 2024 passed out, and the percentage criteria, so it should be 60% or 6.5 CGPA and above, and the eligible degrees and the branches, so it is for bachelor degree, that is BE or BTech graduates in either computer science, information technology or all circuit branches, and also the masters of technology, that is ME or MTech graduates in either computer science or information technology, and even MCA graduates are eligible to apply for this particular job role. And those who has applied for Deloitte past like last 6 months, so they are not eligible to apply for this particular job role. So these are the selection process. First step is registration, so the second thing is shortlisting. So after that there will be online assessment, and then followed by technical interviews and the HR interview and the final result. So to apply for this particular job role, like the skills and everything what they are expecting, so like you need to have knowledge on Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint, so like be good in any of the programming languages, as well as bit database knowledge is needed to apply for this particular job role. So to apply, you can just click on register now, so just check it and you can just click on next. So you can see the registration form. So you need to fill your first name, your middle name, your last name, and then your email address, phone number, and your date of birth and the gender, and then address details and your education details, like the highest qualification you have done. So you need like add the graduation details, 10th and 12th details, and here are some education details like your university registration number and everything. So these are mandatory details, so do add those. And if you have any gap in education and if you have any standing backlogs, so do mention that. And have you appeared for an assessment or interview with Deloitte in last 3 months, so do mention. Like if you have appeared before 6 months, so you are not eligible to apply for this particular job role. And if you have any other offer letter in your hand, so do mention all these questions correctly. And like, are you open to any internships, and if you have any work experience, it can be internships or anything, so you can do add those. And professional certifications, like if you have done any of the certifications related to programming or Microsoft Excel, anything, so do add that. And any other certifications, like apart from professional certifications, if you have any certifications, so you can add those. And lastly, you need to upload your updated resume, and also you need to upload the photo and your college ID card, and then agree the term, and you can just submit the application form. So this is all about the first company, that is Deloitte. And the second company, it is Genpact of Campus is hiring, and the job role for that is Python developer, and the salary of the CTC, so 6 lakhs per annum, and experience, so it is for both freshers as well as experienced graduates, and the batch eligible, so the current graduates 2024 and the previously passed out graduates are eligible to apply for this particular job role, and the work location is Mumbai. So this is the complete job details. Like the skills needed, like you need to have knowledge, as they're hiring for Python developers, so you need to have strong knowledge on Python programming and familiarity with various Python libraries, APIs, database connector, as well as file transfer mechanisms. And if you have experience with Python framework, that is Flask, so it's an added advantage. And familiarity with the database technology, that is SQL, which is mandatory. And if you have experience with front-end development like React.js, so it's an added advantage for this particular job role. So qualification needed, so the B or BTech graduates in either computer science, statistics or any other related technical fields, so they are eligible to apply for this particular job role. So to apply, you can just click on apply online. So you can see, like, you can just start your application. So you just need to accept and then it will navigate to the application form. So for this you need to create your account. So do create your account, like you just need to click on register. So you can just register yourself and then you can just do add your username, create your new password, and with the email address you can just register yourself, and later you can just log in and start your application and fill all the details, and you can just submit the application form. So this was all about the second company, that is Genpact, and the third company, it is FLEXERA of Campus is hiring, and the role for that is associate software engineer, and the salary of the CTC, so 6 lakhs per annum, and the experience, so for both freshers as well as experienced graduates, and the location is Bangalore. So coming to the skills that are needed for this particular job role, so the qualification needed, so you need to have bachelor's or any other degree like B or BTech, or even postgraduates are eligible in either computer science, software engineering or any other related technical fields. So experience, 0 to 1 years of experience in software development, and if you have knowledge on Golang programming language, so it's an added advantage for this particular job role. And apart from that, you need to have experience in containerization technologies. It can be Docker, Kubernetes and various cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud Platform, that is GCP, and Microsoft Azure, and knowledge of CI or CD pipelines and various DevOps practices. And also you need to have good understanding of REST APIs and everything to apply for this particular job role. So click on apply. So these are the 3 ways to apply. You can autofill with resume, or you can apply manually, or you can use your last application, and the last one is you can apply with LinkedIn. So you can choose any of these options and you can just apply for this particular job role. And the last company, that is Qualcomm India Private Limited of Campus Hiring, and the role for that is cloud software development, that is associate software engineer, and the salary of the CTC, so 8 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and the experience, so 0 to 6 months is needed to apply for this particular job role. So the skills, the minimum qualification needed is that, like, you need to have bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or any other related technical fields, and the experience, like 0 to 6 months is needed. And the skills that are needed for this particular job role, like, you need to have knowledge on programming languages such as it can be C, C++, Java or Python, and also experience with various cloud technologies. So these are the mandatory skills needed to apply for this particular job role, and experience with various message queues like RabbitMQ, Apache Kafka and everything. So if you have these knowledge, so it's an added advantage for this particular job role. So you can just click apply now. So first step is you need to upload your updated resume. So do upload your resume and fill all the required details, and you can just submit the application form. So the link for all of these jobs, so it will be provided separately in the description. You can quickly go and apply for these job roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.